It's like I can't do no wrong, I know.
What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. As you guys can see, today's video is in collaboration with Asteria hair. I'm just starting out this video showing you guys what came in the box with the hair. Of course, we have the drawstring bag to keep the wig in, a comb and brush, edge brush, we need that, some 100 million millimeter lashes, a head scarf because we need that, honey, a wig cap. Then we also have some hair scarves. We got this pink floral one. Love pink, you guys. Then we got this Bowberry style one. It's not Burberry because off-brand. And then we got the good, you know. Now let's get into this wig. Y'all, straight out of the box, this hair was so gorgeous. It had no smell or tangling. Like, look at the bounce. This is not even in slow motion, honey. Look at that. However, this hair did come with some white flakes. I don't know what that's about, Asteria. Y'all need to check that out. But yeah, she was giving very much wash your wig. Okay. Now this is the lace. Look how transparent that is. It blends in with my skin so well. And y'all gonna see with this application how well this wig went on. Now this is the construction of the wig. It has two combs on the side, one in the back, adjustable straps, and this is what the lace looks like. I did bleach the knots off camera, but I'm going to show you guys a little bit of my plucking. Honestly, I didn't pluck too much on camera because I was making it harder than it needed to be. Obviously, I just parted a little bit in the front and try to plug. But listen, you guys, if y'all are gonna plug your wig, please get some push pins to go into the front of the lace because the struggle was real. I still tried though. I still tried to finesse without the push pins, but it didn't work. So go ahead and put your push pins in, girl, so you can slay this wig and plug the front, okay? Okay, so now that we have the push pins in, I want to show you guys the speed of how I'm plucking. You guys can go slower than this or faster, but I do suggest going slow so y'all can get it just right. She has to be perfect, okay? And since this isn't necessarily a plucking your wig video, I'm just going to show you guys the before. This is the before and the after I have plucked the wig. This is also with the knots already bleached, so this is plugged and bleached, and this is what the construction looks like with the 5x5 closure, so you guys can see how far the lace goes from side to side. Now the next bit of this video is just going to be me showing you guys how I just cut layers in the wig. I don't know really much what I'm doing. I just used a razor and cut some layers. So there's nothing specific of what I did. I just want to show you guys evidence that I did cut layers. What you guys think about my English accent? Off to London I go. The hairstyle I'm going to be doing today is just a side part and some curls to make the girls voluminous. So that's what I'm going to be showing y'all. Next is the curls. I did curl the hair with a flat iron. And while we're here, let's go ahead and say a con about this wig. There were a lot of flyaways and little short hairs towards the top of the wig. So if you guys don't care about that, then okay. But I used a wax stick, some hairspray, and some argan oil to lay the flyaways down. So all I did to get started styling the hair is part away the side or the front part where I'm going to be doing some different type of curls, and I'm sectioning off the rest of the hair with some hair clips. And my only tip for curling your hair is to curl away from your face. That gives you the volume. It helps frame your face. I'm also taking some medium to large sections so it doesn't take forever to style the hair. I'm just going to go ahead and finish curling the wig, and then we're going to get into installing it.
Throw that ass, poke it out. I ain't, but I let him eat me out. Yeah, bad and my too. Take all these niggas' money. What we best to do? Leave, then leave.
I'm just down, head down, pop it to the ground. She a freak, oh, I put her on the team. If you keep your clean, then scream.
Okay, so boom, now that we're done curling and styling the hair, we're going to go ahead and apply it. And look at this lace, you guys. I haven't added adhesive or anything, but the adhesive I'm using today is Bold Hold Liquid Gold. This is the new and improved, like, got to be. It's way better than got to be. It's clear, it dries clear, and it only takes a few seconds to dry. Y'all need to go ahead and get you guys some Bold Hold Liquid Gold. I pay like $25 including shipping, and you only need a dot to apply. My slow self tried to pour the whole bottle on my head, and I only needed like a small bit. I actually tried this adhesive a few days ago on another wig, and she stayed on for a few days. So if you guys are thinking about getting a new adhesive and don't want to use glue or anything like that, definitely go get you some. And this method is still considered glueless. It actually says it on the bottle as well. So for those of y'all that like to come for me in the comments, don't, because it is glueless, okay? So once the adhesive is dry and everything, I just go ahead and cut some slits in the lace. I do suggest cutting little slits just so you guys are careful when cutting the lace. And I just use a razor to get that jagged edge on the ends of the lace. Also, I meant to do this when cutting the lace off. The edge of the cap where that black part is, you guys should cut the corner of it. So when you do the baby hairs, you don't see that. I meant to do that, but I forgot to do it. But if you guys get this wig, definitely cut the corner of that black part off. Cutting that black part off will give it more of a frontal / natural look, and cut it like a triangle. Cut a piece like a triangle. I hope that makes sense. FYI, I did add a little bit more baby hair in the center of the lace. You guys don't have to do that. I don't even know why I did it. It looks way better or more natural without it. And when I wore it again, I actually didn't use the center baby hair. So you guys, yeah, don't do the center. Yeah. So that is pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and learned something from it. If you guys have any questions, definitely comment down below. All the details will be in the description box. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. I love you guys, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.
The lightning bolt is here.